In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get to inbox 0 in Gmail. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable system to reset a messy inbox, handle new messages with confidence, and keep things clean every single day. First, we'll do a fast reset to clear the backlog. Open Gmail and type label .inbox into the search bar. This shows only what's in your inbox. Click the checkbox at the top to select everything on the page, and if Gmail offers to select all conversations that match the search, confirm that. Now choose Archive to safely move everything out of your inbox without deleting it. If there's obvious junk you'll never need, go ahead and delete those instead. Archiving is ideal if you're nervous about losing something because you can still find it later with search. The goal here is to remove the weight of old emails so you can start fresh. Next, use a simple triage method for new messages. Open your inbox and one by one, make a fast decision. If a message is important and needs your input, reply right away, especially if it takes under 2 minutes. If it's resolved or informational and requires no action, archive it. If it's truly useless, delete it. If it's important but needs attention later, snooze it to a specific time when you can handle it. The key is to avoid rereading the same email multiple times. Decide once and move it out. To stay organized, set up a few clean labels. Go to Settings, then Labels, and create Action, Waiting, and Read Later. Keep it simple. Move emails into these labels immediately so your inbox stays empty. Use Action for tasks you must do, Waiting for messages where you're expecting a reply, and Read Later for non-urgent articles or updates. Simplicity beats a dozen folders you'll never check. Now stop clutter before it hits your inbox. Unsubscribe from newsletters you don't read and block senders you don't want to hear from. Create filters to auto-archive routine messages you only need for reference. Use the search bar's filter options, set conditions like the sender or subject, then choose Skip the Inbox and apply the label. This keeps the noise out of your daily view. Finally, make it a habit. Check email only 2 or 3 times a day, not continuously. Every session ends with an empty inbox. Reply, archive, delete, or snooze until nothing remains. That's how your inbox stays clean, your backlog disappears, and your productivity moves faster with 0 unread emails achieved.